Hey guys, welcome back to Paintastic Arts. I wish you guys a very happy new year. I know it's been really long since we recorded our last chapter, so here we are back again with another exciting chapter on resin art. In this chapter, I'll be sharing knowledge on the chemical properties of resin art, the materials required, and of course a step-by-step guide on how to create your first resin art. So let's get it started. So the epoxy resin are a two-component system consisting of a resin and a hardener. By mixing these two components, a chemical reaction takes place so that the liquid resin gradually hardens to a solid plastic. But this plastic is completely safe and organic, and hence we can create some beautiful artworks with it. Now let's see the materials required for resin art. You need a suitable painting surface. I am using a heart-shaped canvas. Alternatively, you can use surfaces like wood, glass, metal, concrete, and much more. Next we are using is an epoxy resin and an hardener. This hardener comes along with epoxy resin. A measuring cup. This we use to mix our liquids in proportion. Gloves to protect your hands. Some paper cups to do some mixing. Some acrylic colors. Alternatively, you can use alcoholic ink and spray paints. Here I am using some matte acrylic colors by Camlin, and I'm also using some shiny acrylic colors. Next I'm using is ice cream sticks. I'll be using these ice cream sticks to do some mixing of my resin with some colors. A heat gun or a hair dryer. Since I am not having a heat gun, I'm using a hair dryer over here. Let's make our resin mixture. The proportion of resin mixture is always mentioned on the packaging. Some do the 1:1 mixture, but in my case, the resin mix ratio is written as 3:1. So as you all can see, I'm going to pour 3 portions of this resin and 1 portion of the hardener. I'll be pouring this resin mixture in each of the colors that I'll be using. Let's pour our colors now. The proportion of colors has to be 1:3, so I'll be using a very less quantity of colors and 3 times the quantity of resin. As you all can see, I'm using a deep turquoise, golden, white and cerulean blue. Now let's pour our resin mixture into these colors. I thoroughly mix each of these colors that is mixed with resin. I keep my surface ready. You guys can use any colors you like, but I'll be specifically using the sea colors to make my first resin art. As you all can see, I have poured cerulean blue first, then the deep turquoise. With the help of my ice cream sticks, I'm just spreading across the entire color. Similarly, I'm gonna add light turquoise and once again spread across with the ice cream stick. I'm gonna pour some resin right in between before I use my white color. With the help of my hair dryer, I'm gonna try spreading this white color across. Also be using my ice cream sticks once again to mix these colors. And the last one is the golden color. I'm gonna use this golden color on the surface and once again mix with the ice cream stick. try giving as much as patterns with your ice cream sticks or a hair dryer. We let it dry for a day or two, and here's our resin art completely ready. Thank you so much for watching our video, guys. If you have loved this video, please hit a like, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. If you have any doubts pertaining to this chapter, please put down your questions in the comment section below. So see you guys in another exciting chapter. Till then, stay tuned.